Vinlley ES05 Bluetooth 5.1 headphones. Let's take a look. So I was having a browse on Amazon UK the other day and I came across some Bluetooth earbuds or headphones that were just over £13 and I was intrigued. I wanted to know what they were like, so I bought them. Let's get them unboxed and tested.
And here they are, the Vinlley True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Not much going on around the box. So I've just got a bit of legal information, a barcode, customer service number on there. And then on the back we have one-step pairing, premium sound, excellent battery life, smart touch control, ergonomics design, active noise reduction, waterproof, built-in mic. Wireless version or Bluetooth version 5.1 plus EDR. Charging case input is DC 5 volts 1 amp. Charging case capacity is 500 milliamp hour. Transmission range is 50 meters. Earphone battery 50 milliamp hour. So you would kind of expect that this would charge them 5 times if the case is fully charged, because there's 2 headphones. I'm assuming that's 50 milliamp hour per bud. And working time per charge, 5 hours. So in theory, 5 hours, 5 charges. And what do you got? You got 25 hours. Let's get the box open. So very straightforward. Just one little notch to pull out there. And we've got the headphones in their case. And charging cable, USB-C. Just to clarify, USB-C. Got a light on the front, which I'm assuming is to indicate whether or not the headphones are charging. And then we've got different sized buds for people with big ears and small ears. And then in the bottom of the case we've just got an instruction manual. So within the manual we've just got a packaging list, product overview, how to pair them, how to answer incoming calls with the touch controls, how to reject a call, how to pause or play music, how to go to a previous song, how to go to a next song, how to decrease the volume, how to increase the volume, how to use the voice assistant, how to go into game mode, and then how to switch them off, which is literally you just put them in the case. And a few frequently asked questions and then different languages. So if we open the case and we'll see what we've got inside. There we go, we've got the 2 buds and that just clips nicely and quite safe. It's quite difficult to open up so they won't accidentally come out in your pocket. And on each bud we've just got, there we go, for those of you who like to peel bits off, and then we'll do that on the other one. And then we've just got a little bit of plastic just preventing them from charging. We'll just pop them back in. As you can see there, there's indicator lights on there. I'm assuming that one's trying to pair, that one's charging. So I don't really know what's going on there. I'll just close the case. And you can see there the charging light is on. Quite a nice design. They never fall out. I've done all sorts of activities using these headphones, such as cleaning my house, moving about. All over my house, still got the music coming through while I was cleaning up. Genuinely, I can't believe how good these headphones are for the price. They're really easy to pair, they're really easy to charge, the instructions are very clear, the touch controls are very responsive, they're waterproof up to IPX7, so if you go out in the rain, it's not going to damage them, they're going to be okay. The Bluetooth 5.1 really does help. There's just no dropouts whatsoever. In terms of sound quality, for phone calls it's perfect. The mics are very responsive and the sound quality on the other end of the line, so I've been told, is really good. Sound quality is good enough for using streaming services such as Spotify. The quality is never going to be as good as AirBuds, but the price is a tenth of what they would cost. I'm not going to use these as a daily driver, but I'm going to put them in a location on a desk where I have a tablet that occasionally I will use for things like instructional videos on YouTube. I'm just going to leave these paired up on charge most of the time, and then I can just pick one up, put it in and start listening. The headphones themselves do take an hour and a half to charge,
from the case, and the case itself takes 2.5 hours to charge. On a full charge at around medium volume, you'll get about 7 hours out of these headphones, which is long enough for a working day, as long as you have breaks. If you are watching the video because you're interested in purchasing the headphones and want to know if they're any good, then please help my channel out by using the affiliate link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so below, and I will see you next time. Thank you.